Hello there YouTubers, my name's Charlie Chittenden. It is Tuesday the 28th of May 2019 and I'm now going to conduct a ghost box session with the intention of attempting to communicate with the spirit of the late actor and politician Vinod Khanna. So I shall turn on the PSP7 here, which is one of the most popular and most effective ghost boxes on the market. I shall go into reverse sweep and we'll see what we can get. Are there any spirit beings present, please, who can bring forward the spirit of the late actor and politician Vinod Khanna, please? Vinod Khanna, if you speak into this device, I can hear you. Vinod Khanna was born on the 6th of October 1946 in British India, now part of Pakistan. Vinod Khanna, you starred in many films, including The Burning Train. Do you have a message for your fans, please, Vinod? Vinod Khanna died on the 27th of April 2017, aged 70, in Mumbai, India, from bladder cancer. Vinod Khanna, you became involved in politics, becoming a Minister of State. Do you have a message for your children? Vinod Khanna, you won several Filmfare Awards. Where would you like to spend your time in spirit? Okay, I'm going to go now. I'd like to thank you all for your communication, and I mean you all the greatest of respect. Can anybody say goodbye to me, please? Okay, goodbye.